How to unsend send snaps on Snapchat. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can unsend send snaps on Snapchat. Now the process itself is quite simple and easy, so let me guide it through. In order to unsend a send snap, what you can do is you can simply open up Snapchat first and then head over to the chat section. Once on chat, what you want to do is you want to head over to the particular chat that you want to remove the send snap from. So in my case, I'll just open up this chat right here. Now we can see this snap hasn't been open yet. So what you want to do is on the particular snap that you wish to unsend, you want to tap and hold on it, and then you can see two different options: save in chat and delete. You want to simply tap on delete, and you can see when you delete, if it says we'll attempt to remove it from our servers and your friend's device. This might not always work, like if someone has a bad internet connection or an old version of Snapchat. So you can simply tap on OK and then tap on delete again, and it'll get deleted. So you can see it says you deleted a snap. So this way you can unsend send snaps on Snapchat. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.